me, for example, 7 years ago, I didn't even know what I wanted to do with my life, right? I dropped out of college to get into this because I had no idea what I was doing in college, and I wasn't going to spend money and time, trying to figure it out. But when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is something I can do, and I don't need a college education. I don't need a license. I don't need a lot of experience. Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Kenny Cam Doom, man. I wanted to tune in to you guys. Hey, first and foremost, thank you for tuning in again. This channel is all about real estate, so everybody who wants to get into real estate, who wants to learn strategies on how to actually get your first deal without having to have a license, without having to have a lot of money, without having to own the property. This is the most important step in real estate before you actually do anything else, because it teaches you a lot of things about real estate that you just have more wisdom and make more important decisions. With me understanding that, I know you guys are pretty new, and most people who are watching it, there might be some experienced people in here. But if you don't know me, my name is Kenny Camdu. Once again, I'm a full-time real estate investor, guys. I have been investing in wholesaling real estate and land. Now I'm doing houses, but I've been doing it full-time for over the last 5 years. It wasn't always like this, and sometimes I think about how I got to this place, and I think about just how long and how much time and how much effort, how much energy, how much money I had to actually put into this business before I even seen a return. And I empathize with a lot of people, especially nowadays. You guys are hearing a lot of get first deal in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, all of that, and which is true, but it's not always going to be the reality for every single body. When I was getting started in real estate in 2018, I was basically brand new. All right, I had some experience flipping, like I was flipping phones, but it was just like, just like on the side a little bit. I buy for 400, buy for 300, sell for 400, sell for 500. That's just what I was doing. And when I was getting into real estate, I knew it was the space that I wanted to be in, because I was like, I can make 10K in a month in one deal. And I was kind of comparing it to phones, where I was like, so if I get 2 deals, I'm making 20K. And I don't know what it is about it, but that just made me energetic. You know what I'm saying? It made me excited. You feel me? I was like, okay, I think I want to see what's going on over here. And there's so many more things that you can do, right? There's so many more things. And that's kind of like also part of the struggle too, because once I got into it, I fell into the trap of thinking that, okay, I'm gonna go in, and within 30 days, I'm gonna get my first deal. And when 30 days passed, and I realized, like day 20, I kind of was like, oh shit, it's about to be 30 days in, and I wouldn't have got my first deal. And I almost fell into the trap of, this doesn't work, this is a scam, and it's not gonna work for me. But I was really dedicated to making this space work, guys. Like, you guys don't understand how much burning desire I wanted to be, to like be one of those like be one of those testimonials where it's like, yep, I got my first deal. And I think it was just that hope that I was hanging on to. But it took me a year and a half before I got my first deal, guys. And I'm talking about a year and a half of mentorship, a year and a half of continuously marketing, doing some marketing channels that didn't work, some that did, but it didn't give me the good results and things like that. And man, like when I think about that, it's like, bro, this is actually a very difficult thing to do, especially if you don't have the skill set to do it yet. Like me, for example, 7 years ago, I didn't even know what I wanted to do with my life, right? I dropped out of college to get into this because I had no idea what I was doing in college, and I wasn't going to spend money and time, trying to figure it out. But when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is something I can do, and I don't need a college education. I don't need a license. I don't need a lot of experience. I quickly realized about a year in that, dude, I suck at sales. That was the number one reason why I wasn't really winning. Probably some marketing too, like my marketing sucked. And I was like, man, like I have to improve. I have to do better. I have to be better for me to actually win in this space how I can. And so that's when the whole personal development era started happening within inside me. My mindset era started happening because I started getting into the mindset of I'm gonna get this done no matter how long it takes. Even if I have to drop it in and come back in 5 years after I perfected my skills, I was willing to do it. But I didn't understand how hard the journey was actually going to be. And so to a lot of you guys who are you're trying to get your first land deal, you want to get first just deal under contract. If it wasn't for me switching over to land, I don't know if I really would have made it like that, because once I switched over to land and I learned, it was one key strategy that I know I learned about Dispo that changed everything for me. It was with that strategy that I was actually able to win, and it's using the strategy that I've been able to win continuously over the last 5 years with land. I've been doing land full time, guys. I'm closing the deal today and I'm making 15K on it. And I'm just saying, like, if it wasn't for this strategy when it comes to land, I would have been stuck, and I would not have been succeeding. And I know a lot of people now who aren't using this strategy that they should, they're falling behind. You know, a lot of people who are quitting real estate, quitting land, you know, a lot of people, if you guys haven't noticed, are like leaving the space because it's so hard. And every single time I talk to them about, you know, why they're leaving the space, what makes it hard for them, every single conversation is just it comes down to this one point: they are not using the strategy that I'm using to exit out of these deals. And so it makes it very hard for them to be in a space, because guys, like land, it takes, like, you know, or real estate, you know, just takes some time to close a deal, right? So you will get a deal in the contract, still have to sell the deal. It might take you 90 days to sell the deal. If you can't sell the deal and you got a deal in the contract, you're just hoping for it to close, and you just don't have anything else, and you know you're not able to get anything else moving, things become really tough, right? That's what I'm saying, man. Like, if it wasn't for me switching over to land and to doing this strategy, I would have been out the space. I would have been back to work at my 9 to 5. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I was making close to 6 figures at my sales job. I would gladly go back, but it's just the hours. They were just long hours. It's the strategy, man. It's the strategy. It's a strategy. It's a strategy. And what you don't know is actually hurting you. And what you do know but aren't implementing is hurting you even more. Guys, I teach this strategy to just a very select few people. If you're interested in actually getting into the space and winning over anybody that's been into the space over the last 5 years, tap in with me, click the link in the description, schedule a call with me, and let's see if we're a good fit, right? I don't want to teach the strategy to everybody. I want it to be only a certain amount of people that can do it. So if we're a good fit, you go ahead and, you know, we'll work together and we'll talk about how that looks like. But if you're interested in that, schedule a call with me and let's see. Even using a strategy that I'm able to wholesale houses too. And it's insane the amount of success that's actually coming with me. A lot of people that I taught the strategy to are having a lot of success. Somebody wasn't able to close the deal, I helped them using my strategy. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. If you are struggling right now and you're trying to get your first deal, I just want you to know, man, that be dedicated to learning this space and be dedicated to improving and doing things that most people aren't willing to do to get that deal. Okay, so that's really what I want to tell you guys, man. You know, this year has been pretty tough with all across the board with everybody that I know, and I'm still finding myself having success because I was able to learn this strategy. And it's something that I've also been holding back from teaching people, because I'm like, man, I don't want to teach people things that like stop working. Like 5 years, I started coaching this year because I'm like, bro, I've been doing it for 5 years. The same exact thing, the same thing. For 5 years, I'm like, year 3, I'm like, wow, this is still happening. I'm looking around like, yo, I'm still doing this? Like, it's still working? Okay, not changing a thing. Year 4, okay, yeah, it's not changing a thing, it's working. And then year 5, not changing a thing, it's working. And I'm excited for year 6. I want to see how that looks like. And I truly think that the only way that I can ever get out of this space, or I really start struggling very heavily, is if the strategy stop working. But has been a strategy that's been around for decades, and it's only because you don't know that you're not doing it. I promise you, once you do know, once you start doing it, and once you see the results, you're going to be like, man, like, I wish I knew this 2 years ago. I don't know how long you've been trying to wholesale for, but when you pick a market, it's very important that you pick a market that works well for the strategy that you're trying to do when it comes to wholesaling. And you don't need like a big deal. You just need proof of concept. Right now, you just need to be able to say, oh, this works. Okay, boom. And then you just do it 10 times, 20 times over, because once you realize that it works, you just do the same thing that you've done and you're gonna get the same results. It's literally it. So you just need proof of concept. You need that first deal, okay? And the best way to do it is by flipping land. I'm telling you guys, it's by flipping land. It is the easiest thing to do, the path of least resistance. Still, not a lot of people know about how to do it successfully. Not a lot of people know about how to about even the strategy that I'm using. A lot of people are not teaching this because I don't know why. They want to keep a secret. That's why which I understand, but that's why I'm like, telling people how to do it, and only a select few people. So I appreciate you guys for tuning into my video, man. Let's go. It's a Friday. I'm going to be closing on the deal. I'm pretty excited. I'm accepting more people into my mentorship program if you're interested in learning the strategy. Like this video if you enjoyed the content. Comment down below, man, what's your #1 struggle with wholesaling? And subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.